Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a 2v2 friendly battle with your friends in Clash Royale. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Clash Royale tips and tutorials. It really helps out a lot. If you've been playing Clash Royale for a while, you might remember the 2v2 friendly battles used to be super easy to find. Don't worry, they didn't remove it. It's just a little hidden now. So let me show you how exactly where to find it. When you first load up Clash Royale, you might think you can just go over the social tab, find your friend, and hit friendly battle. But if you try that, you'll notice it only gives you the option for 1v1, not 2v2. That's because 2v2 friendly battles only work if you and your friend are in the same clan. So here's what you need to do. First, make sure you and your friend join the same clan. And once you're both in, tap on the clan tab and look for the friendly battle button at the bottom of the screen. So go ahead and click that, and from there you'll see the option for a 2v2 friendly battle. And once you select it, the game will wait until 3 other clanmates join you, and then the match will start. So in my case, my clan is pretty inactive right now since I just started playing again. So I can't actually run a 2v2 at the moment. But now you know exactly how to set it up with your friends. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe with notifications on, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Clash Royale tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.